Hey guys, I'm in Ikea right now. I'm vlogging. I'm doing a follow me around. I told you guys I'd start doing these again. Oh my god.
Like the last case of emotion.
Oh my god, who is that?
Wait.
Oh my god, not?
No.
Is that you? Oh my god.
I'm gonna cry.
Is this a morning routine?
It actually is. I shower every day with my clothes on in an Ikea.
Oh my god. So we're vlogging at Ikea, you guys.
Because we have nothing better to do with our lives.
So she's getting a house. So update, we're friends. Well, we've always...
Open me. This is like your OCD heaven.
Oh, I love this actually, yeah. all my pills and shit.
See?
Pill popper. No, I'm kidding. Ooh, Inception. Hey. No, we're not even like... Should we explain what happened?
We just got really bored in our lives, and I unblocked you on Instagram and was like, what I do, boo?
Basically, she unblocked me. We're so weird.
I came crawling back this time.
Oh shit, I almost fell over. So she unblocked me, and then I was gonna message her, but then she beat me to it. And we just talked everything out, and we're fine now, so. But first of all, we're always friends. Sometimes we don't talk, but then we're still friends though, right?
Sure.
Yeah, we'll go with that for the vlog. You guys were a mess, but you love that. Okay. Anyway, now that we're all caught up. Oh, and you're getting a house, right? And we're planning for it. Okay. So now you're caught up. So now we can vlog. Okay. Now let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in crippling debt.
Now get in bed.
Oh God, no. You didn't even make it this time.
Oh my God, Joe.
How are we ever supposed to have sex in an Ikea if you can't make the bed?
Someone's waiting. You guys come in bed with me.
It actually kind of looks like the setting for the You TV show.
You guys, go watch it. It's so good.
It is. Get out of the bed. There's probably like hair lice in there.
Ew.
You're in it.
Joe Goldberg is my bad. Joe Goldberg. I'm always in bed anyway. Because Joe Goldberg.
Why do I bring you anywhere?
I don't know.
Alright. So you didn't answer my question, cloth or leather?
You know what? That's a good question.
I'm kind of feeling that couch.
Well, I'm not. Okay, let's see.
Well, if you come on it, it'll come off. No, you're right. It's too slippery.
Oh, shit. Oh, you're right. This is too slippery. We can't have fucking this couch. You can't turn me straight on this couch.
Go back to like the 80s with individual. What is this?
We're home shopping.
I know what we're doing. What is this?
I'm telling them.
It's like those it's like somebody tried to like piece together a sectional that's not supposed to be together.
No, this is actually hideous. I hate that color.
Okay, how about low to the ground as hell?
Okay.
So where in 5 years when you're 30...
What's your budget?
Fuck the budget. So, okay, here's my original plan.
Oh, yeah, I forgot you have your platinum card. Okay, we're good.
So, here's the original plan. I was going to take the loan they give me for the house and take about like 10 G's of it and furnish it.
She's smart.
I know.
Make it 20 G, we're good.
I know. I said only 10 to furnish it. I didn't say...
20? This place is expensive. We're bougie, you guys.
I need a penis crystal. What is it? Oh god, it's plastic. Never mind.
Ew, what is that? I'm sticking my finger in it.
Just fingered my holes.
Freddie got fingered.
Okay, so their couches suck. Because there's...
They're either ugly or they're too leathery, she said.
They're not too ugly. They're
Look
just...
at that. What is that? Like a deformed cloud?
That's the Kleenex I stuck with.
Stuff for bras.
I don't know. I'm kind of feeling that one just because it looks weird.
You know what? Actually, I like that one. You're right.
Like, it just does the head thing come up?
It looks bouge. Yeah, I think so. Like, it's full-fledged, like...
Hey, boo, it's plugged in. Does this thing vibrate?
That's what she said. By the way, I'm living with the jeans on.
Do you read Swedish?
You guys, her jeans, are they cute?
You stopped staring at my ass for like 3 minutes.
I love your ass.
And Oh.
Is it comfy?
Boo. My fat sunk in.
You know what? I'm actually feeling this. And actually, I like a good leather couch, but let's see. This is... Oh.
No.
Yes.
No.
This is the one you're getting. Oh. I know. Nice. Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let's cuddle. Movie night.
Movie night.
Dude.
What?
This is it.
Yeah. This is it. How much is it? Oh, it doesn't matter because you have one.
It's only $1,500.
Oh, okay. Well, your loan's 10, so we're good. It's 100. That's not. I mean, for your living room couch, that's like.
This thing is so comfy. Is this like? I can't read Swedish because it feels like Tempur-Pedic memory foam.
You think so?
I don't know. It's comfy.
I mean, it's like it's booze.
Okay, so it's this.
What do you guys think? Should we get this couch for Nadia's house for her living room? Right? It's your living room couch.
The black one does it, but it's not plugged in.
Okay, so should we get white or black?
Well, this comes in different colors.
Yeah.
And of course I'd get black, knowing me. Or brown if they have it. Where is the button? Okay, downside.
On the side.
I know, I'm going lower than I thought it was.
Yes, she said. This is the view every guy has when he's with you.
Dude, I'm not leaving. I was wondering why I was plugged in, and I figured it out. Okay. That's the couch.
This is the couch. You guys.
It looks so weird until we tried it.
I love it. It's so bouge.
It's the run. What? Do you read Swedish?
My mom knows Finnish, but actually, my mom probably could read it. She probably knows Swedish too. I'll just like text her and be like, "What the?" All I know is it's bouge and we're getting it.
This one does it.
You know what? I was about to say I like that one until we saw this one.
This one doesn't. It's got these like lumbar support pillows.
Okay, I think we should get this one instead.
I don't know if it's plugged in.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
It is. The only downside, the middle one doesn't do it.
But oh, really? Ew.
But I do like it better.
The color and the texture, you know?
It's not that like that shape looks cool.
But the color. We get that in black.
Yeah. But this one seats 3 people.
Mm.
Well, that one does too, but in an awkward way.
Mm.
They do have it in brown.
Ooh, actually, I like it in brown.
Right?
You know what? I like
So
it in
let's go
brown.
earthy tone, neutral.
Yeah, let's do the brown. You know what? I'm really liking the. What do you guys think? Brown? Right there.
Like the brown one.
The white or the cream?
See, I like the brown because even if there is a stain or like a mark, it's gonna cover it up. But the black's
white.
like too harsh.
Cream is a no-go.
The cream.
No.
I drink wine.
Right. Like we're lushes. Well, I'm not, but in my mind I am. But I'm not.
Stop breaking my future couch.
Figuring it. Okay, you guys. So brown, cream, or black?
See, I'll go with because it's brown, but it almost looks chocolatey maroon.
Oh my god, I love that. Does it come in a couch or does this?
Yeah, no. Of course, this comes in that color. Why would they have a chair that doesn't match it?
I think you should get the chair. That chair's cute.
No.
I got a chair.
Couch. Fuck with me,
Just-
I'll get the yellow couch over there.
Which one?
The yellow thing.
Yeah, Big Bird said no.
What is that?
Me say, said you be gone.
Isn't this gonna get like copyright?
I don't give a shit anymore. First time, I'm so moving on. Yeah. If they copyright me, what?
The hanging bookcase idea. I mean, it's technically 2 of them, but still.
Do we like or do we love? Look inside.
Yeah,
Ew,
never
books?
mind. We can put it in your YouTube room.
Oh my god, you can put all my Birkins. Just kidding. No,
We'll just get you a chalkboard. That's your YouTube room, just a chalkboard.
I know, I can write all my video days on the chalkboard.
For real.
That's funny.
Okay.
The YouTube, so we do all the challenges and the vlog there. Our Q&As. Oh my god, are you guys still friends? Yeah.
Alright, TV stand.
Okay, this is important.
This is technically in the center of the room.
Right, it has to match our chocolate couch. Where we eat chocolate when we're cramping.
Wow. We need Jesus. See, I like the simplicity of that one.
That's
I
so
know that
homey
they-
and cozy. I like that.
I
What do you
know
guys
these
think?
are, like, different colors too.
Do we like? Wait. Yeah. Do we like?
Like it's simple yet cute.
Or
And
do you
I'm
want the
gonna
TV
have to put it
hanging?
together.
Do you like it hanging or do you want it like?
Well, I like the option of, unless I don't want it hanging, then it's got a stand.
Right.
It just depends if I want to hang a friggin' TV after drunkenly putting together IKEA furniture.
Because we're gonna have a lot of wine that night. We're gonna get drunk as fuck. We're going house hunting tomorrow. I'm rushed.
Maybe. Who knows?
As soon as we get that amount,
Okay, I
a
sent
couple
her all the
100,000. So 4 bedrooms.
paperwork.
Three-
Max.
3 to 4 or 8.
Alright, shut up. Oh my god,
One for every Birkin. I was
no.
kidding.
In crippling debt like immediately.
Just charge it to your account.
No.
Just charge it. Don't you have like a shirt that says just charge it?
No. I
Oh.
have nothing that says just charge it. I'm like, what do I have? Nothing.
Your whole life says just charge it. You have a tattoo that
How
just
about
says.
like a whole entertainment center? Are you seeing this?
What are you gonna put in it? She said.
I don't know, knickknacks. You know, like home improvement shopping. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. It's cute.
You're gonna put
I'd have to get books and look smart.
it. Ew. You put like DVDs and
Ooh, yeah.
yeah. Like DVDs and movies.
Okay. What goes in the drawers? Condoms.
All the pictures of us. Okay.
All the pictures of us covering what? No.
Ew.
All the pictures of us.
It's all our photos of all our good times.
Okay. Why would they be in a drawer and not displayed?
I don't know. There's just too many. All our photo albums. Us and the kids.
Now we gotta go office shopping. Where's this table?
Yeah, where are you making your $1 million deals?
Why would I make my $1 million deals on this amazing table?
This is where we like.
This is, you need a bar stool to sit at this desk. Where's the lumbar support?
Everything here says Swedish.
Oh my god, let's talk tea.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Come, darling, sit with me.
Oh my god, this is everything. Okay, ready?
Why can't I?
It's tea time.
Okay. I didn't even pour it yet.
My tea comes served hot already.
So, darling. This is freaking adorable.
Okay, we need to get the tea
Okay.
started. Yeah, no. Well, this is kind of cute.
Okay, that's fine. We'll actually, you know what? I will actually get a tea set
Yeah.
and get tea.
So we can sip it and talk shit.
Or just sip it.
Sip it, spill it. Oops, spill it.
The tea's just so hot.
We
And this is how we got kicked out of Ikea.
we should show this video. I could kick you out. Okay. Right.
You want to get kicked out of Ikea? I can
Yeah.
get us kicked out.
Okay.
Of Ikea.
Here, let's do it. Catch.
No, I'll leave that. Please. That won't kick us out.
Kick me out, I
I
dare
actually
you.
like this chair, FYI. It's actually really comfy. You should sit on it.
That's what she said. Just
Sit on it and spin.
Ooh, kinky.
That's what I was going for.
Ooh.
Like, it's way comfier than you thought, right?
Holy shit, yeah. And then you made it warm.
I know. I farted.
Love it. You sharted.
No, you would see that.
That's how the couch became chocolate.
I like this.
Just kidding.
The desk is cute, but it doesn't have that keyboard pull-out thingy. Not that I would ever use it realistically.
Right.
Honestly. Like the video, if you ever use that keyboard.
I can't relate. I can't relate.
I found the desk.
Your office desk?
Yeah, we gotta throw it.
I mean, it's fucking tea time, bitches.
You wanna work your cuticles together?
You wanna put your cuticles together?
Oh, you wanna work it?
Yeah.
Don't look there, it's gross.
I love you. Don't look there, it's gross. Of course, in a Swedish place, they're playing ABBA. Of course, right?
Come, get fired. Who, like... I know that this is technically an adjustable standing or sitting desk.
From Munchkins.
But it's nap time, you guys.
$1 million deal.
My double chin has never come in handy.
Double chin.
Like, why would you... I know it's supposed to be...
$1 million deals.